up, everybody? Running a few traps. I'm actually driving to them right now to where I can get out to walk. We got a big front moving in. A lot of rain. It's supposed to rain for 2 days, and we only got a few traps out, so maybe we'll get something. If not, oh well, we're gonna reset everything when we get done anyways. After this front gets out of here, we're gonna come back and put the sets back in. But thinking about making a trip up in the Ozarks, getting ready for muzzleload season. All right, get to a few of these traps. Appears ain't nothing mess with them or anything, but we get close and check. We still got 3 traps to run. Nothing there. We do got some fresh scat right there. But that ain't what we're looking. Ain't what we're looking for. Yeah, this pan has been dug up. This whole trap has been dug up. I'll be dang. Trap dug up. We got one more over here on this 4-way split. I had a feeling. I didn't see anything tugging, and this trap has been thrown, so. Alright, I got these sets redone. Get the bait back in there. Using this right here as a caster set. Got beaver caster in the hole. There's a trap. Caught a coyote in here early in the year. It's been slow. I just got it since something dug it up anyhow. Pretty sure it was a Yodi, and right here we got this set redone. We switched everything up a little on this and move everything around. All right, we're finna move on. Just got a couple more traps to run. We got 2 days worth of rain coming, so I don't have any traps out right now because I'm gonna have to reset every one of them anyways after all this rain gets out here. All right, moving on. All right, guys, I'm just gonna let you know it's really warmed up. It slowed the Yodis down a lot. Like, we're talking, it's like 64 degrees right now, December the 27th. So, anyways, we got 2 more traps to run. May not have good luck, but we're gonna run the last 2 traps, and after 2 days of rain, we'll come back and we're just gonna reset everything. We're gonna move to another location. So we got some work ahead of us. All right, guys, I didn't want to bore you with putting a trap in the ground for bobcats, but I'm gonna show you my little secret. We got a lot of rain coming in, and of course, they're gonna want to be dry. And of course, they all use the bathroom in dry places, is what I found. So here's my secrets. Been put some underneath these bridges here. Everything stays dry, and they can use it kind of like a litter box. I got 2 traps right over here, and it don't look like it appears, but it will. We got 2 days worth of rain coming. I'm gonna show you what I meant. I just didn't want to bore you with putting it in the ground and all that. Right here up on this ledge right here, the bobcats is coming around. Right now they're coming around the bottom right there. You can see the fresh tracks. I'm trying to get them to where they'll come around the top here. All right, I got a set right there. I know the audio is gonna be horrible, but I got a set right there. And I'm gonna put another one over here where this trap's been thrown, right here. All right, guys, I didn't know if you could hear me earlier. I didn't want to bore you with putting the trap in the ground on a bobcat set or whatever. So I'm just gonna come and show you what I did. They've been coming around this point right here. You can see all the tracks right through here and everything else, and they've been coming up here. They've been using it like a litter box. So what I did, I put a trap right there. Nothing, just like a standard Duro set. I put it right there, put sand over it, There's a fresh scat right there. And I got the other one right here. I just kind of blended it in. They're coming right through here and using the bathroom. We got 2 days worth of rain coming. So I'm just gonna keep everything dry. And of course, it would definitely stay dry underneath here. So anyways, I'm gonna move on. I got one more bridge trap to run and then I'm done for the day. All right, moving on. All right, I got one trap left to run. We didn't get nothing right here in the little point. Anyways, we're moving on. We got one more trap. Maybe we did good. I don't know. We got, like I said, that rain's coming. So I'm trying to keep them dry. We only got a few out, so. All right, moving on. All right, guys, last day of the day. Get down here. There's something tugging up. Oh, we got a little cat. Got him in his back foot. Get on. Well, it worked. Trying to use like a litter box. Looks like a male. Pretty sure. All right, guys, let me get him out of here and I'll get back. All right, guys, I'm back. I got the set redone. It's not super good because of the catch. The Bobcat, he tore it up pretty good. Actually, she did as a female. But anyhow, basically all they're doing is coming in here and they're scratching like they're in a litter box and trying to cover their turds up. So when I was down here, I went ahead and put a couple of dog proofs down here too. I've been seeing a few coon tracks. There's one right there. There's another one there. I've been coming up this bottom right here. That's the way the cat has been doing too. But anyways, I'm just trying to keep everything dry. And I told you I'd show you a Bobcat, but I didn't want to bore y'all with, like I said, putting in the ground and all that. But anyways, that's a remake of one. And it will stay dry. I don't have to worry about that. I put a little cat putty on that stick. That's just trying to guide them really this way right here. I'm trying to keep them off that concrete back. The way I'll push them through here, but they actually been coming up through here and through here. Got it skinned. I'm gonna put his hide up. I'll tan it another day. The meat is being eaten by a family. He asks for them every year. They love Bobcat. I'll leave it to them. I have nothing against it. I just right. He asked for it, so I got to him. All right, we're gonna roll it up, put him up. I'll clean him up tomorrow. It's colored up pretty good. You roll it up. Alright guys, if there's anything particular you want to see or whatever, leave it in a comment below, let me know something. Good feedback, bad feedback, whatever. My bag. Another wrap. Hit that bell.